it's Horse Lover 300 here, and sorry that I have not been posting. I just haven't had any good ideas on what to post, and I didn't want to just start posting things that other people's been posting and stuff like that, because that's pretty boring to see people do the same thing over and over again. So I looked through recent Schleich DIYs, and I haven't seen any grooming boxes tutorials. So yeah, that's what we're going to be making today. So let's get in with it. A ruler, scissors, ribbon, popsicle sticks, a hot glue gun, paint, and a paintbrush. So you will need a ruler and a popsicle stick for this part of the craft. And what you're going to want to do is measure about an inch of your popsicle stick, maybe a little less than that, and cut off this rounded end. So now that you have one piece of an inch of popsicle stick, if you have the jumbo ones like I have, then you don't need to cut out two. But if you have just the regular sized ones, then I recommend cutting out two of the 1 inch rectangles. So now you're going to make two more of this rectangle. So now that you have these 2 inch long rectangles, you're just gonna hot glue it to each side of it. Hot glue it to the longer sides. And if you have a jumbo popsicle stick like I do, just cut it in half, and that will make it more realistic looking. So now that you've created your box, or not a box quite yet, but almost a box, you're going to cut out to another inch of popsicle stick and cut your jumbo popsicle stick in half and just glue it on and cut off the excess if you have any. Okay, so now that you've got done gluing on all the sides, you're going to take a piece of popsicle stick that fits nicely in between there and hot glue it on into there. And if you want more than two boxes to put stuff in, then you can just make more of these and just keep on hot gluing them in, and then you'll have more stations. But I think I'm gonna go with 3. So once you're finished, your grooming box should look something similar to this. And yeah, so I will tell you what to do in the next clip. Now you're going to take a piece of ribbon that's about 3 inches long and hot glue it to either side. So then once you're done hot gluing the ribbon to your grooming box, you can take any color of paint and you can paint it, which I probably will do that. So yeah, so after sorry, it's late at night, it's like 9:30 and I cannot talk because I'm tired. After you get done with that, it should look something like this. You can always paint the inside of it, but I'm not going to do that because I feel as though it looks good just the way it is right now. I might in the future paint it a bit more, but my grooming box is purple themed, the color purple. Comment down below what your color theme for your grooming box is or was. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!